Avery, what are you doing? You getting an animal? You trying to get the pig out? Get the lamb out. Ooh. Oh, you're okay. Oh, are you cuddling with the lamb? Is it time for bed? Are you tired? Avery, Avery, look. Say hi. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. It's hard to get the animals out. Avery. Avery. What? Are you going to come up? You want to come up and say hi? Yeah, did you just have a bath? No, don't pull on it. Wow. Oops. Oh, Pumpkin. Get the blanket. Avery. Avery. Peekaboo. Boo. I'm going to take this out. Boo. Are you inspecting everything? Yeah? Avery. Avery. Avery, you're so determined. Yeah, you're funny. Let's look at your room, how messy it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You gonna get in there?